Ken. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ken and I'm from Exceltec Property Management. Exceltec provides environmental and cleaning services. Hence, we are presenting the problem statement of a semi-automated spot cleaning for the washroom itself. Next slide, please. So in a typical cleaning contract, we are required to provide two categories of cleaning. The first one is actually the heavy or the deep cleaning. Such cleaning is usually conducted at the middle of the night or early in the morning. So usually what the cleaner does is do a very thorough cleaning, which includes wet washing of the floor, the washroom cubicle, urinals, etc. The second type of cleaning is actually the spot cleaning or as per demand cleaning. So this cleaning is actually conducted during the day itself. Spot cleaning is actually conducted once every few hours, and as per demand cleaning is based on the technology deployed, such as the smart toilet, touchscreen panels, the sensors such as people counter and ammonia sensor. So actually you can refer to the current practice of the tasks of what is being performed during the spot cleaning itself. So currently we are looking into semi-automating the spot cleaning or as per demand cleaning, as this kind of cleaning actually happens very frequently throughout the day. With the difficulties to attract and retain the cleaners and with the rising manpower costs, we hope that we can semi-auto the spot cleaning process. Next slide, please. These are the considerations to take note for the innovators. So the first one is actually the spot cleaning tasks, such as cubicle door management, the toilet seats cleaning, the seats cover management, washing of the basin, wiping, as well as damp mopping itself. The second consideration is actually the dynamic washroom environment. As we all know, that actually the space of the washroom can be very narrow at size. And during spot cleaning, actually, we don't close the toilet. Hence, there will be human that will be coming in. So this is a very dynamic kind of a washroom environment. The third one is actually the KPI. So we hope that the robotic solution developed can match the cleaner's timing itself. Last one would be the specification of the robotic solution. We hope that it can be battery operated, no cameras because we are in the toilet itself, that the robot is able to navigate the washroom with the presence of human being. Of course, it requires it to be electrical protection, lightweight, as well as a sleek design due to the dynamic washroom environment. So next slide. So we expect the solution to be semi-auto because I still believe that that still requires some form of manual intervention, such as transporting the robotic solution from point to point, refilling the toilet papers, the hand soap, or even checking the cubicle condition before the robotics start the spot cleaning. So we are currently also open to retrofitting technology itself. So next slide. So some of the additional consideration to deploy the types of solution, especially the first one, let's say we are talking about the retrofitting solution, it must make economic sense in terms of CAPEX and OPEX. So imagine you have 100 washrooms. So if all of them are retrofitted, the CAPEX and the OPEX is going to be very high if let's say instead of deploying robotic solution. So when you use retrofitting technology, the outlook of the washroom may change also itself. So for the robotic solution consideration, these are the few points. Of course, you need to have the map building setup, the navigation, the AI and the machine learning portion, the manipulator arm, and as well as the vacuum for the dry mopping at the base. Next slide, please. So we hope that the solution developed can reduce the manpower required for spot cleaning by around 30%. I think with that, I am done for the presentation.
Thank you, Ken, for sharing more regarding this challenge statement. So to remind our audience, you can ask questions during this session. You can do so by clicking on the Q&A button at the bottom panel. Yep. So in Singapore, we have very high standards of hygiene in our toilet. Just want to understand from you how dirty are the toilets in Singapore or in the projects that you're looking to implement this solution? And what sort of dirt and stains does this robotic solution needs to manage?
Actually, for now, what we're looking for is actually gearing towards a spot cleaning, because for the very kind of heavy cleaning is actually done in the middle of the night or in the day itself. With regards to the toilet condition, it really depends on the human behavior. Certain project sites may be very dirty, some may be quite clean. So this one really very dependent on the human behavior. So what we hope is that this robotic solution can ease in terms of the cleaners' workload in terms of spot cleaning itself.
We have a question from Basam. So he because he mentioned that he felt that the cameras are fundamental for robot operation.
Mm.
Is it, how what could we do to really give that vision to the robot? Is it really not possible to have cameras on the robot?
Yeah, currently we are not allowed to have cameras inside the toilet due to privacy issues. So you, as developers or innovation providers, you may need to look into sensors or mapping of the toilet itself. Yeah, so as to overcome the cameras.
Could you share more about how the spot cleaning is currently being scheduled? How many toilets are being cleaned in a building?
So every individual toilet, usually a cleaner takes care of a certain few levels of the washroom itself. So maybe so the cleaners are required to clean the toilet once every maybe 2 hours. So basically the task which the cleaner does is actually, for example, cleaning of the cubicle, the seats, cleaning of the urinal, the outside. Of course, you also have to wash the basin itself. You also have to do some damp mopping, and you have to clear the rubbish bin if it's full and refill, let's say, the soup or the toilet paper if it's empty itself. So these are the tasks that is performed during the spot cleaning. So I believe everyone, you have been in the shopping malls, etc. So you notice usually during the spot cleaning, the aunties still allow the public to come in to use the washroom itself. Yeah. So this is actually what is being conducted during the spot cleaning. So hopefully the robot can take up part of the task from the cleaners.